no good. Alright, so question 4. Find the smallest integer. Now let's recap integer. Integer means whole number. So you want to write down, oh, this one means whole number. That satisfy this inequality. So this is what I do. Question 4. 4x is more than or equal to 11. Now, inequality means I want to find the answer is x must be like that, something, or x must be like that, something. Whether equal or not, it depends on the question. So looking at what I want, looking at what I have, what is the next logical step? Yongjie? Yongjie, what is the next logical step? This is what I want. Too small. Still too small. This is what I want. This is what I want. This is what I have. What should I do on both sides? Times. Times what? Times 4? Times 4. Shall we try times 4? Can, huh? Now let's try times 4 here. Over here times 4, I will have 44. Over here times 4, I will have 16x. So this is why you notice that forever I cannot do math. I want 1x. I have 16x. Even larger than what I originally have. I want to get rid of the 16. What should I do both sides? Divide. Divide by 16 or divide by 44? Divide by 16. So both sides divide by 16. You really take out your calculator and press. Tell me a decimal number. Huh? Thank you. 2.75. Can I repeat the whole thing? Yes. But it will waste time. Lucas, this is what I have. I have 4x is more than or equal to 11. What I want is I want 1x. 1. How to find 1x? Good question. What does the question even mean when they say x satisfy the inequality? This means this. This means I want to find out x, 1x is more than or 1x is less than what number? Now let's try and find the 1x first, which Yongjie told us to divide by 16 or divide by 4 on both sides, and I get this. So back to Lucas again. 1x is more than or equal to 2.75. Can x be equal to 2.75? Yes. So you can put a comma here. So let's go through inequality concept. X can be equal to 2.75. 2.76, yes or no? Yes. 3? Yes. 4? Yes. 5? Yes. Then satisfy means what? Means you make it happy. Means this one must follow this principle. Means the value of x must follow this thing that you write here. Then it says find the smallest integer. Smallest whole number. So integer is whole number. Huh? 5 times 4 because it was wrong. It was wrong. By right, straight away I should divide by 4. But can you times 4 both sides? Yes, you can. But you are going nowhere. You won't get to the answer. I'm trying to show Yongjie and everyone here. Yongjie tell me times 4. Many of you will tell me minus 4. Divide by 4. The correct way is both sides divide by 4. But will it kill you if you times 4? No. But later you must divide by 16. But if you times 4 both sides, okay. Times 5 both sides, okay. But you're just going nowhere. Nabiha, okay? So to answer Rachel's question, by right first step don't need to times 4. Straight away divide by 4, you get 2.75. Am I correct? You get 11 divided by 4, do you get 2.75? Yes. But how to continue from here? Lucas asked, what does satisfy mean? Satisfy means must meet the condition. What's the condition? X must be more than this. Not only this 4 number, but there's 1 million number here. But what is the smallest integer? 3. 3. Therefore, not down up, but somehow it happened because x must be more than or equal to 2.75. So what's the next closest whole number? 3. So x is equal to 3. Now, can I give a counter example? Can you write down example here? So this is extra learning. Can everyone follow? What if x is more than or equal to 2.1? What is the closest integer? You write. What is the smallest integer that satisfies this? Yongjie, right already? Got answer? Got answer? No answer. Right. Christine, what's the answer? 3. Shelly, do you agree? Haven't right yet. Nabiha, what's the answer? 3. Two. How many of you say 2 because round down? Nobody. Nobody. Must be bigger. So cannot be 2 because 2 is smaller than 2.1. So this question is not about rounding up or rounding down. This question is about asking you whether you understand inequality or not. Now, drawing a number line also helps. Drawing a number line, this is 2, this is 3. 2.1 is somewhat here. And I want more than this. Can I choose 2? Because it must be more than 2.1. So the closest number is still 3. Sound effect. Now, can you try question 5? I paused the video here. So later on, this video will consist of question 5. First, I copy the question. Negative 3x is... Sorry, listen. Now, first, you have to understand the rule. Can you write down rule of inequality? There is only one rule. There's only one rule. And the one rule is when you multiply, clever people will copy now. Because once I move the screen, you cannot copy anything. Smarter people will choose to do nothing. Because you already know. I leave you to choose. When you divide by negative number or when you times a negative number, something magical happens in inequality. You need to change the inequality sign. Sometimes I use the word flip, but you all don't like the word flip because like flip what? Flip prata, flip what? So this I will illustrate. That means if original is like that, after flipping it will look like that. If it is like that, after flipping it will mean the other way. Now, since Clarence bring out a very important thing, let's just focus on the rule and then let's write down example on the rule. Okay? Now, can you write down 4 is bigger than 2? Is this correct or wrong? Is this correct or wrong? Alright, Now, can you do me a favor? Yongjie, please. Don't. Leave him alone. Now, okay. Now, if I times negative 1 on both sides, can you copy this down? Times negative on both sides. And then you write, this is negative 4, this is a box, this is negative 2. What will you write? Assume I don't change. Assume I don't change. Can you mark? Can you write down negative more than Negative 2. Is this correct or wrong? Wrong. Why? Because in actual fact, if I have an inequality number line, if I have a number line and then I try and mark down negative 2 and negative 4, which one is bigger? Negative 2. This one is smaller. That is why if you don't flip, it will be wrong. It only applies to negative number. And it only applies when you multiply or divide. Plus, minus not affected. No need to flip, no need to swap, no need to change, no need to do anything. Only times and divide negative number. Then you change the sign. If you learn this today, you win some of the Sec 4s above. Because upper Sec still will have this problem when they choose to talk during Sec 2. Now, so come to this question. Now you know. Yongjie again, what do I do on both sides? Because I know, don't tell him. I know I want to have 1y. What must I do on both sides? Divide by what? Very good. So can you write down? Both sides I want to divide by negative 3. I will have 1. This one I press calculator. My calculator tell me negative 8. My question is, what is the sign here? You write, I write, we compare. In 3 seconds, 3, 2, 1, compare. Like that. Do you get this? Yes. Huh? Alright. Now, I want you to write in words. This one means y smaller than negative 8. Can you tell me what is the question asked? Biggest whole number. What is the biggest whole number in this case? Negative 7. Do you get this? Do you get this? Wrong. This is wrong. Do you get this? You get this? I write because I want to test you. Now, I also don't know whether right or wrong. Can we draw a number line? This is 0. This is negative 8. What is the number on the right? This one? Can you put a 0 on top and then draw an arrow to show that where you want to go? Does the MRT go on the left side, Jermaine? Or the MRT go on the right side? Die. MRT go both ways, then it will become 2 MRT. Jermaine? Jermaine, the question say x smaller than negative x. Oh yeah, why? Sorry, you very angry. You okay? Cool, Cool. Bro, cool? Cool. Jermaine, y smaller than negative 8. This side, right? This side, This side. Therefore, what are the possible numbers? Can you use your red pen and write this is wrong? The biggest number is actually negative 9. Can I pause? Still y? Still y? Johan, y is what? Negative 8. Smaller. Do you know how to read this sign? Don't know. This one means small mouth. Small mouth. This one means big mouth. So y is small mouth. Y is smaller than negative 8. Know how to read? Can That means y is smaller than negative 8. Draw a number line. You need to know smaller means what? Johan, what is the biggest negative number? Negative 1. This will help you. Can you write down? Negative 1 is the biggest negative number. Johan, does this make sense to you now? If -1 is the biggest negative number, -2 is big or small? Smaller. -3, smaller. -4, smaller. -8, smaller. -9, even smaller. That is still 1. That's why if I say y is smaller than -8, I must choose numbers that are smaller than -8. 9 itself sounds big, but negative actually is small. Clear now? Okay. Okay, one by one. Hers is easier to answer. Jia asks, why? Jia asks, why is it -9? Because you follow, do you follow this direction? Can it be -8? Cannot. Why? Because missing one line. Jia is asking a question for everyone. Not everyone in this class understands. Some of you only pretend to understand. So Jia asks, is that equal? No, no equal. That means what? Cannot be equal to -8. Now you understand? So that's why the next possible number is -9. Fahid asks, can it be decimal? Answer is no, because of the word integer. Does it work the same way as decimal? Yes. So, are you asking about the biggest negative number? -0.5 is bigger than -1. -0.1 is bigger than -1. You still tell me 9? It is this case because the rule say that y is smaller than -8. You see, you ask question, you understand. You sit there and listen like a very smart person, but actually you don't, then you will die. So you need to ask question. Why is it -9, not -1? Because the question say, Mufaris, the question say y is smaller than -8. The question did say something. If the arrow got one extra line, the answer is -8 because it means equal. See, you ask, you understand. Correct. The answer is -8 bigger than y. But you read from -8 bigger than y, you are always in trouble. It's always easier to read y smaller than -8. If you read -8 more than y, very difficult to understand. Now, while Lucas explore question 5, can I pause the video now? You try question